What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I do currently have the S24 Ultra. This is a dummy unit. Iblason was kind enough to send me this out, and they also sent me out a few cases. So I have an Iblason Cosmo case. I'm gonna unbox this and just give you a look of how this will look on your S24 Ultra if you have one coming. I do not have one coming as of yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet about getting one yet, but this is the Cosmo Ombre color. So we're gonna just unbox this and try it on the dummy unit just so you can get a look and feel. So I do want to say I will not be able to do wireless charging because this is not a real device. Just want to get that out there. Okay, so what you get in the box is you get your little instruction manual, but I will not be using this. It shows you how to put the case on the device. Don't need that. This ombre color looks very, very nice. As you can see, I actually like that. So you will peel off the paper on the front, plastic on the front. This one comes with included screen protector inside of, well, it's a built-in screen protector, plastic film for protection. Then you would just peel that off like so. Put that over there. So it tells you to put this case housing in first. So you would just place it in, and this is what it'll look like up front. And I'm not a fan of those stickers in the case to where it shows you how to do your fingerprint scanner. I am not a fan of that. Peel off the back. Man, that ombre does look nice. I like the way that looks. You do get that little camera hinge cover, so I'm sure this can probably double as your kickstand. That's very nice. But anyways, place the device in like so, and this is what you would be getting if you have a S24 Ultra coming your way. This is what this case would look like on the device. It does look nice. Like I said, I can press buttons, but it's not going to do nothing because this is just a dummy unit, but they are still nice and clicky. As you can see, down here you do get access to all your ports and cutouts, USB-C, your speaker, and then this is where your S Pen would be housed. On the back here, this is what the back looks like. It says Cosmo Series. Then, like I said, you do not have to worry about dropping your phone flat down on the table on the camera because you have this camera protection door. And when you just want to take a picture, you just open it up like so, and you're greeted with your cameras. They sit deep off in the grooves, and that's nice. And you do not have to worry about dropping your case flat down, your phone flat down on the table, because it will be protected because this is a two-part case. But overall, I do like the look and feel of the ombre case for your S24 Ultra. So if you're out there looking for cases, I'd recommend you give Iblason a try because this is a nice case. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.